Welcome students. Now let us move on to lesson number 3, adding tables in MS Word. But even before starting lesson 3, which says adding tables in MS Word, let us do the basics in MS Word. Now let us first open MS Word. MS Word 2010. Now let us see how this MS Word actually looks like. Let us go through all the menus and the functions. Now, first of all, though the lesson is about adding tables in MS Word, first let us study the basics of MS Word. Okay, so to begin with, first and the foremost, what you people should do is you should first set the page layout. Page layout is setting up the page setup. Now, in page setup, you have to decide upon what the paper is going to be. Normally, we all print in the size of A4 or otherwise letter. That's the standard size of paper which we normally use for all our printouts. See, there is a lot of variety here. You can print your envelopes, you can have a custom size, A5, A6, executive, B5. Lots of options are there, out of which we are going to choose either A4 or letter. Okay. After that, what is the width and height of the paper? It will automatically come when you set the paper size. What is the source going to be? Now, source is meant for printing. Okay. Default tray or whatever. Here you can see the preview. Okay. And all these things, whatever you do, you will be applied to the whole document. This was about the paper. Then you can set the margins. Like from top, what is the margin that you want to leave? Say we set it to 2 centimeters from top, 2 centimeters from the bottom. Okay. Then from the left and right. Now this is about the margins. Next is orientation. Now orientation is how the paper is going to be printed, whether it's going to be portrait or it's going to be landscape. So can you see the difference here? When I say portrait, look here. When I say landscape, just look here. Okay, I hope you've understood what the orientation means. All right, then do you have multiple pages or mirror margins? No, we have normal pages. Okay, let's make it portrait, hmm, and let's apply this to the whole document. Okay, so you've seen the paper size, you've seen the margins. Now let us see the layout. Layout is where does the section start? It always starts on the new page. We are not writing a column like newspaper. Otherwise, we would have said new column, even page, odd page. Okay, for us, it's a new page. You can set your headers and footers from here. Hmm. Then vertical alignment will be at the top of the page. And this is going to be the preview. You can add line numbers, you can add borders, and so many other things in this page setup. Okay, so first and the foremost, what we have done is we've set the paper size as A4, we've set the orientation as portrait, we have left some margins, and the section starts at new page. Okay, now we've done with the page setup. The same things you will see here separately, like you have these margins, you have this orientation, you have size, you have columns, breaks, line numbers, etc. Okay, so this was about the page layout. Now let us come here to the file. In the file, what options do you have? See, once you've made the file, you have to save it. Hmm? But before that, you need to open a new file. By default, a new file comes anyways. Hmm? Let us say new. Hmm? Let us say blank document. But there are so many documents, formats, those are available here. You can try most of them. Hmm? There are blogs, templates, and so many other things. So we'll say blank document, new, let's say create. So our new document has opened. Now, as I told you, new, we started here. Then you can save once you are done with the typing work, or once you've done with making of the document, you can save it. You can also save as some typical format if you want to see. The formats you will find here, there are so many formats. Hmm? You can save it as a PDF. Hmm? Then you can save it as XPS document, web page, rich text. So many options are there. Okay, we save it as Word document. Let's give some name here. Even before making, you can save it. Even before writing. Okay, what name should I give? Let's give it as ABBHS. Okay, ABBHS1. This is going to be our Word document. Hmm? Okay, then this is home. See, whatever you type here. Hmm? See, I am a student of standard 5th. Okay, now let's change the font. Whatever you want, you can change font. You can change the size of it. Okay, so right now the size is what, 24. You can make it bold. It's already a bit bold. Let's try some other, say Arial narrow font. Now you make it bold. You will understand the difference. You can make it italics. You can make it underline. Okay. Now, if you see this th that I have written here, we want it on the upper side. What we'll do? The upper side is called as superscript. Okay. So standard 5th. If I say subscript, see what will happen. If I say subscript, it will go to the bottom side. And if I say superscript, it's going to go. Okay, fine. Now all this has come in capital letters, and I'm not happy. Okay. So what can I do? I'll change the case of it. So changing case come here. If I say sentence case, see what happens. Only the first letter comes into capital. Other are normal small letters. Now instead we'll do one more thing. We'll have all letters in lowercase. So see, the I has also come into lowercase. Has it? Shall I make it a bit larger for you to see? Okay. Can you see now? See, I'm a student of standard 5th. Everything is in small letters. Now suppose I say toggle case. Now let me not say toggle case. Otherwise everything will go on the capital level. Okay. Capitalize each word. See what happens? First letter of the word becomes capital. Students ka S is capital, of O is capital, standard S is capital. Hmm? Only one letter in the beginning of the word becomes capital. That is called as capitalize each word. Now if I say toggle case, all that is small will become capital and all that is capital will become small. Now see. Okay. See, A was capital, it became small. S was capital, it became small. So in this way, this entire thing works. This was about toggle case. Now let us have it in our proper sentence case. Happy? Yeah. Hmm. So this is about, this is about, what is it about? It is about font and font size and change case. Okay, fine. Now let's move further. Then you can have this text of yours aligned properly. Like this is left align. I can take it to the center. I can take it to the right. Can you see it? Okay, now since I have increased this to 320, you people won't be able to see how it is like. Okay, now you can see. I have bring it to the center aligned, right aligned, center aligned, left aligned. Okay, fine. Now what I'll do is I'll do a little copy paste. So I can copy it from here, then take my cursor wherever I want to. So since it is here, I'll just press this and I'll remove this so that my text becomes normal. I enter here and there's a shortcut Control V to paste it. 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 Okay. So in this way, I have written about 4 to 5 sentences by just pasting it. Okay, let's move here and remove this superscript. I've removed it. Now, if I want to add, okay, I'll also show you how color is changed. Okay, now suppose I want color as there's so many different colors available. Which color would you like? Yellow, it's very bright. Let's have red. Okay, so let's change this color to maybe say blue. Okay, let's change this color to what do you like? Violet. Let's go for the violet. Okay, so in this way you can change the color of the text. Suppose you want only student to have a different color. So can you have it? Yes, you can have it. Mm, let's make it dark violet. Okay. Hope you've liked it. Okay. So this is how you're going to change the color of the text, which is done from here. Okay. Also, I told you about the alignments. Now, see if I want to put bullets, I can add bullets from here, right? Can you see? Okay, if I don't want the bullets, I want numbers. So I'll go here. There are various numbers available. See, 1, 2, 3. If I want 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bracket style, if I want it Roman style, if I want capital A, B, C, D as numbers, if I want small a, B, C, D as numbers, I have so many different formats available. Okay, should I do this? Okay, I don't want it though. So what I'll do is I'll say none because I don't want these numbers here right now. Okay, have you understood this? All right. Now this was about the paragraph in which we saw bullets, we saw numbering, we saw alignments. Okay. Now, well, students, let us take a break here and continue in the next session.